Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to connect Oracle database 12c with Node.js 20. So Node.js 20 is currently the latest version which I already installed. Okay, let me show that. So you can see that I already installed Node.js 20 and it's already available in the Windows path. That is, it's already available in the Windows command line. Okay, so I am going to connect this with Oracle database 12c, which is running in my local Windows 10 machine. Okay, so this is the logic. Okay, it requires the package called Oracle DB. That is, we need to download the package Oracle DB, and it's containing the connection URL. That is connection string, which contains username and password with the database URL. Using this connection string only, we are going to fetch the records of the person table. So it's simple logic only. Okay, so this is Oracle database 12c which is running in my local machine. So I am connecting to database as a common user, that is C as Scott-min, it's a common user. Okay, so very simple logic only. It will fetch the records and display in console. Okay, let me go to the directory in command line. First I am checking the version. Yes, so Node 20 is available. So this is the command to install the package, npm install oracle db. So this will install the Oracle DB package. So you can see under node modules it's downloaded. So Oracle DB 5.5.0 is the latest version, current latest version. So this is a directory structure of Oracle DB module. So you can navigate the Oracle DB module when you get free time. Now let me run the program. Node-oracledb.js. You can see that records are fetched and displayed successfully from the person table, which is available in Oracle database 12c. So you can see that connection is successful. So I can able to connect Node.js 20 with Oracle database 12c successfully.